Sige po. Bago po natin bigyan ng Kalakuyang Glenn, so they will announce yung pong tournament, result ng tournament. Palakpan po naman natin ang Panginoon. Well done, both teams. Well done. Congratulations po sa ROS. Palakpan natin ang ROS. Well done, SB Joy. Nice game. Mga kapatid, it's true. It was a wonderful game played and nalulugod po ang Panginoon. Ano po, no? Palakpan natin ulit ang Panginoon. The scores might be, nabubura man ang score, kinakalawang man ang trophy natin, but what you have displayed here tonight is brotherhood and sisterhood per se. No? Maraming salamat po dahil you carried on po yung sinasabi natin, alay ko, kalakasan ko. And in spite that it was a very wonderful game, it was still displayed that wonderful camaraderie. And great honor sa buhay nyo. And bago po natin i-award, I just would like to take this opportunity para magsalita lang po si Kuya Andy, siya po ang SA naman ng ROS. Kaya sa pala po natin ang award. Bigyan po natin kala Kuya Glenn at palakpakan din po natin ang kumita ng basketball ng Vegas event.
Ano, malalait na ako? Malalait na ako.
Wag naman, bad yan.
We would like to thank everyone na participate sa game, lahat ng sectors. It was really a long fellowship. It's really a blessing na nagka-gather tayo lahat. Only, especially na growing tayo ng family ng Glory. Nagkita-kita lang during fellowship ng basketball. It's really a blessing na natapos natin.
Ang makainin daw?
Pansit.
With the joint.
Pansit na naman. Ang mga pansit. Ang chip naman. Wala naman
We would
iba.
like to call the award naman.
Meron na doon picture.
Mamaya, championship
Actually yung we have, dapat may laro tayo ng yung third, kaso hindi natin nilaro kasi wala ng player yung TOP. Ngayon, sa awarding, we have only trophies for the champion and for the first runner-up. For our first runner-up, which is also really an intense team, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanilang kay Ate Jing for being so cooperative sa committee, and we would like also to thank the rest of the players ng SB Joy for playing a job well done team. And we would like to give this trophy Ate Jing. Mga players, coach, for our first runner-up, SB Joy.
Tawagin natin si Ate Jing, si Kuya Boyet, si Kuya. Ano kayo nagturo ang tatlo? Sabi po kayong tatlo dahil kayo po ang pasimuno nito at maraming salamat sa buhay niyo.
Secret!
And yung po yung members ng basketball team, dito po kayo sa harap at meron po tayo. Nasa harap nyo sa bukas.
Ano?
Ikaw talaga, Kuya Jojo. Nag-concentrate ako dito. Pang YouTube to eh.
Pansit naman!
Congratulations.
And for our champion, ROS, our Learning Fellowship 2011-2012, we would like to call Andy para Teology and the team for this trophy as a champion. Congratulations, job well done team. It's really a good fellowship. Congrats everyone. Congratulations, job well done. On Facebook yan, on Facebook. Pwede mo ang profile pic?
Bakit may miss doon?
Ano ang profile pic yan?
Ah, si Binog! Ano?
Okay. We would like to also thank our referees, Kuya Jerry and team. Thank you for officiating the fellowship successfully. Maraming salamat Kuya Jerry. Thank you sa officiate. Yung MVP natin sa committee, yung malakas kumain. Congratulations. Sige, dali mo.
Asa na pagkain natin, kuya?